In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opening hours on Dhgate 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, how to update your hours, and how to make sure those changes stick. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser for the clearest view, and make sure you're signed into your seller account before you begin. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right and click on your profile icon or username. That opens up your account area and gives you quick access to the settings we need. From there, click on Account Settings. This takes you into your My DHgate dashboard, where all your store and profile details are managed. On the settings page, locate and select company or store information. This section controls what buyers see about your business, including your operating hours. Next, click Edit in the company or store information panel. This unlocks the field so you can make changes. Scroll until you find the opening hours section. This is where you'll set the times your store is officially open for business, which helps buyers know when they can expect faster replies and order processing. Click the drop-down arrow next to the opening time. A list of times will appear. Choose the start time that best matches when you begin handling messages or preparing orders each day. After that, move to the closing time field and select when your business day ends. Think about your team's schedule and your shipping cutoff so the hours you choose reflect your actual availability. If your store operates around the clock, it's even simpler. Check the box for 24 hours. When you do that, the start and end time selectors will be disabled because they're no longer needed. This is a great option if you have global coverage or automated support that runs continuously. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Submit to save your changes. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation or briefly notice the settings refresh. If the change doesn't appear right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Make sure your hours align with your time zone so buyers see accurate information. If your audience spans multiple regions, consider slightly wider hours to cover peak inquiry times. And after saving, visit your storefront view to confirm the hours display as expected. That's it. Your DHgate opening hours are updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and keep your store info current to set clear expectations and improve customer trust.